Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be sharing a guide on how to start your print on demand business using Printify on Shopify store. It is a fantastic way to offer custom designed products without the hassle of managing inventory. So first things first, before diving into your Printify, ensure you have a Shopify account set up. Log into your Shopify account and let's dive right in. So first of all, you'd want to start by creating an account on Printify if you do not have one already. So you have to head over to their website and sign up for an account. It's quick and easy. Once you've created your Printify account, you'll be greeted with a vast product catalog. Take some time to explore different categories from clothing to accessories and find the perfect products for your store. Next up, you'd want to select a category that aligns with your business niche and, of course, interest. Whether it's apparel, home decor, or accessories, Printify offers a wide range of products to choose from. Once you've chosen a category, browse through the available products within that category, from t-shirts to bags. There's always something for everyone. Next up, you'd want to dive into the product details to learn more about each item. You'd need to pay attention to factors like material, sizing, and pricing to ensure it's the right fit for your store. Now comes the fun part: customizing your products. So choose an image, you can add text, or select a color that reflects your brand's aesthetics. Use Printify's intuitive design tools to bring your vision to life. Now, the good thing is, after customizing your products, you can preview your products. And you can do this by clicking on the preview to see how it looks. Take your time to review and make any final adjustments before saving your design. Next up, once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to connect Printify to your Shopify store. Head to the Publish section and click on Connect a Store. At the top of the page, click on Add a New Store to connect your Shopify account. Now, in your Shopify dashboard, you would need to navigate to Settings and then to Domains. Here you'll find your store URL. You would need to copy your store URL and head back to Printify. Once you're there, paste your Shopify store URL into the designated field and follow the prompts to install the Printify app on your Shopify store. Now, once installed, log into the Printify app within your Shopify dashboard to complete the integration. And there you have it. By following these steps, you would be able to start launching your own print-on-demand business with Printify and Shopify. So if this video did give you some insights or tips on how to go about the process of creating your own print-on-demand store on Shopify in 2024, then do well to leave a like on the video and of course subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. And I'll see you in another video.